Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable pin app on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you want to pin a particular app on your Samsung Galaxy A54 home screen, then you need to turn on the pin app feature. So here, I will show you how you can easily enable or turn on the pin app feature on your Samsung Galaxy A54. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on security and privacy. Under security and privacy, scroll down the page, then click on more security settings. Under more security settings, scroll down, then scroll down to get to advanced. Under advanced, locate pin app and then enable this. Then once you enable that, then you're good to go. So when next you want to pin an application on your Samsung Galaxy A54, just open your recent application. So go ahead, open recent application, click on the app logo, and then it should say pin this app. Then it should say to unpin this app, swipe up and hold. So this application is going to be pinned on your Samsung Galaxy A54 and no one will be able to exit the Samsung Galaxy A54 pinned app. To unpin, press and hold to swipe up. And then you're good. So that's exactly how to turn on pin app on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.